Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be configuring our SBC or router phone on 3CX Startup. In our demonstration, we'll use the Yealink T54W phone model. To begin, sign in to 3CX Startup. If you do not have a startup account, check out our video on the topic. The link will be in the description. From the dashboard, navigate to Admin. Click on Configure a phone to set up your phone. Select the Router Phone Radio button, as it's necessary to use a router phone to set up the 3CX SBC, since using a normal desk phone will cause registration issues. From here, you can select your phone's model from the drop-down and can type in your phone's MAC address. Click on Add Phone when you're done. A pop-up will appear that contains the extension number and the one-time code information. You'll first want to unplug and plug the router phone back in. Dial your extension number on your router phone, then press arrow down and dial the one-time verification code. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the 3CX SBC on your router phone. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.